Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we have a topic which is based on arthritis. Uh, we are going to discuss everything about arthritis. What are types of arthritis? Uh, what to do in arthritis? What is treatment? Uh, uh, what to eat? What to avoid? We are going to discuss everything about arthritis in this video. So, we are starting. First of all, we have to understand two terms. First is infection, and second is inflammation. Uh, Before starting about arthritis, we are first is infection. What is infection? Uh, Everything. What is infection? Everything which is from outside environment, ठीक है, which is from outside environment comes to human body. What is infection? Everything which is foreign comes to human body in any form, from any place, enter into the human body and disturb human body and the reaction against the action of infection happen in body, that is called infection. First, for example, if an insect bite human body, that is infection which is being pulled into the body by an insect, ठीक है. So what happen when infection enter into the body? First of all, our our immunity system activate currently. Immune system responses in which WBC start fighting with infection. In this process, what happen? Blood flow in the affected area will increase. Mast cell increase. After that, what happen? Mucus will be increased in that area, due to which inflammation increase. Try to understand, there is two term. What is first infection and second is inflammation. Inflammation is the result of infection. Just clear it. Inflammation is the result of infection. Infection is carried out by anything from foreign into human body. Second term is inflammation. Inflammation depend on infection. In some cases inflammation is auto. Without any infection, inflammation happens in the body. That is because of autoimmune syndrome. If in the body autoinflammation without any infection happen into the body, this is because of autoimmune syndrome, which is responsible for arthritis, which is called autoimmunity. So just clear your fact. It is basic that autoimmune syndrome is responsible for arthritis, in which inflammation happens without any infection in the body. So it is cleared. So going ahead, now we have to discuss about types. So type number one in which pain happens in legs joints or hand joints, including scapula, elbow joint, hand joint. So when pain happen in a lower portion of the body or upper portion in hand region including the joints. Basic is when pain happen in joints of legs and hand. When pain happen in joints of legs both leg, ठीक है, both leg and joints of hand including shoulder scapula. This is categorized in rheumatic arthritis. What is reason? Reason is that there is life of any joint in which movement of joint will be disturbed. Disturb include sprain in joints. There will be inflammation, strain in joints. Movement is totally disturbed in hand and legs joints. So this is categorized in rheumatic arthritis. Type number 2 is Sjogren syndrome. What is Sjogren syndrome? Sjogren syndrome is what happen in Sjogren syndrome? There will be swelling in face bones. Swelling and stretching in face bones is called Sjogren syndrome. It is common in females. Next is ankylosing spondylitis. What is ankylosing spondylitis? In ankylosing spondylitis, there will be pain in back, continuously pain in back. In young males is considered as ankylosing spondylitis. What happened? The shape of backbone is become as arc. In ankylosing spondylitis, there will be hard pain in morning time after waking up. There will be too much pain in night time when the patient goes to sleep. So third reason is ankylosing spondylitis. And in some regions there will be hair fall, rashes in skin, rashes in face. So this is also reason of arthritis. Next is age-related disorder. Age-related disorder which is called osteoarthritis. In this bones become weak. Joint bones joint including legs, hand joint become weak. There will intercostal space become very low, and the cartilage between the joints become hard. This is age-related disorder, osteoarthritis. Not considered as arthritis, but yes, it is reason of arthritis in growing age. It is 50+ disorder. So next, what is this? All four which I was talking. This all are because of autoimmune disorder. This all four causes of arthritis are because of autoimmune disorder. So going next, what are tests to confirm? There is no any one actual test which is 100% sure that this is arthritis. Nowadays there are two types of tests which confirm 90% that this patient is suffering from rheumatic arthritis. First is anti-CCP antibody test. Second, which confirms that patient is suffering from arthritis. Second is RA factor, which is called rheumatic arthritis factor. This test also confirms that patient is suffering from arthritis. Going towards treatment is very hard. when a patient is suffering from arthritis, treatment is long and hard. This includes you have to do physiotherapy, you have to do exercises, treatment, uh, uh, drug treatment. You have to take treatment. After that, you have to do surgery also. If nothing going on correct, you have to do surgery also. So treatment is very hard. So these are treatment causes and everything I discuss about rheumatic arthritis. Hope you will like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.